Why snack around workouts?
Snacking before and after exercise provides your body with the fuel it needs. Eating the right foods can boost energy, improve workout performance, and help muscles recover. Choosing nutritious snacks means you're more likely to get the most from your efforts, whether you're an experienced athlete or just starting a fitness journey.
Smart snacks before exercise.
Optimal pre-workout snacks combine easily digestible carbohydrates with a bit of protein. Good examples are a banana with a spoonful of peanut butter, whole grain toast with honey, or Greek yogurt with berries. Eat 30 to 60 minutes before your workout for a steady energy boost, avoiding options high in fat or fiber, which may cause discomfort.
Energizing post-workout snacks.
After exercise, your body needs to refill energy stores and repair muscles. Go for snacks rich in protein and moderate in carbohydrates, like a small turkey and cheese wrap, cottage cheese with pineapple, or a smoothie with milk, fruit, and a scoop of protein powder. Aim to eat within 30 to 60 minutes after finishing your activity.
Quick and portable snack ideas.
For convenience on busy days, try pre-packed options such as a handful of mixed nuts and dried fruit, a hard-boiled egg with whole grain crackers, or an energy bar with natural ingredients. These snacks travel well and provide balanced nutrition when you're headed to the gym or refueling after a run.
Tips for choosing healthy snacks.
Focus on balance and portion size. Choose snacks with whole ingredients instead of processed foods high in sugar or saturated fat. Pay attention to how your body responds and tailor snack timing and content to your activities. By selecting smart pre- and post-workout snacks, you can support your fitness goals and enjoy better energy throughout your day.